Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the camera app, so let's do it. And now let's tap on this picture icon in the left upper corner. Now we have to tap on the settings right here, and on the second position we've got self timer, so let's tap. As you can see here, we've got actually three options to choose from. We can turn it off, which is right now applied, and we can set also 2 seconds delay or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let's check those 2 seconds and let's set them. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 2. Let me turn off the self timer just by tapping on the off option, obviously, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.